When it comes to reliability, some SUVs truly stand above the rest. We have handpicked the 8 most dependable SUVs that keep you on the road, not in the workshop. Each model is mechanic approved and proven for long-term performance. Stick around to see which one fits your needs best. And remember to like and subscribe for more car reviews. Number 1. Toyota Highlander. When it comes to dependability, the Toyota Highlander stands tall. Known for its longevity, this 3-row family SUV has earned a reputation as a true forever car. It's not flashy, but it's built to last, often crossing 300,000 miles with ease. Under the hood, the Highlander packs Toyota's proven 3.5-liter V6 engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain is smooth, durable, and virtually unbreakable. Exactly the kind of setup mechanics love. The hybrid version doubles your fuel economy while maintaining the same bulletproof reliability, thanks to Toyota's tried-and-true hybrid system. There are no fragile air suspensions or overcomplicated dual clutches, just pure mechanical excellence. Add in top-tier safety ratings and low insurance costs, and the Highlander becomes one of the smartest long-term investments in the SUV world. Number 2. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester might not turn heads, but it's one of the toughest SUVs on the road. With its iconic boxer engine and symmetrical all-wheel drive system, the Forester offers a perfect blend of stability, traction, and longevity. Mechanics admire Subaru for keeping things simple. The Forester's drivetrain is purely mechanical. No complex electronic all-wheel drive systems that can fail over time. Even the continuously variable transmission, often a weak point in other brands, is remarkably durable when properly serviced. This SUV regularly surpasses 300,000 miles, costs far less to maintain than luxury competitors, and depreciates slower than most vehicles in its class. It's a car that quietly gets the job done, year after year, mile after mile. Number 3. Mazda CX-5. At first glance, the Mazda CX-5 looks and feels like a luxury crossover. But beneath the surface lies the heart of a dependable workhorse. It's powered by a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that's far more reliable than the fragile CVTs found in many competitors. The CX-5 is built with precision and simplicity. No turbochargers, no hybrid systems, no complex electronics. Mechanics love it because it's easy to service. The engine bay is well organized, and parts are affordable. Its corrosion resistance is among the best in the segment, making it ideal for regions with harsh winters. Inside, the CX-5 feels premium, quiet cabin, solid build, and materials that hold up for years. It drives like a luxury SUV but maintains like a Corolla. That's reliability with style. Number 4. Hyundai Tucson. Once known as a budget SUV, the Hyundai Tucson has transformed into one of the most reliable compact SUVs on the market. Mechanics now confidently compare its dependability to Toyota's. Its 2.5-liter SmartStream engine and traditional automatic transmission deliver smooth, efficient performance without the headaches of turbos or dual clutches. This setup easily reaches 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Everything about the Tucson's design is straightforward: accessible components, affordable parts, and minimal electronics to fail over time. It's quiet, comfortable, and incredibly practical. For buyers who want peace of mind without overpaying, the Tucson hits the sweet spot of reliability and value. Number 5. Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V is proof that small SUVs can outlast bigger, more expensive ones. Its simplicity is its biggest strength. Under the hood lies a 1.8-liter or 2-liter naturally aspirated engine. No turbos, No hybrids, just old-school reliability. Mechanics love how accessible everything is. Oil changes take minutes, filters are easy to reach, and parts are inexpensive and widely available. The HRV's continuously variable transmission is one of the most durable in the business, and the suspension setup is straightforward and long-lasting. Many HRVs hit 250,000 to 300,000 miles with nothing more than regular maintenance. It's the kind of SUV that becomes a family companion, dependable, efficient, and always ready for another journey. Number 6. Lexus LX. If the Toyota 4Runner is built to survive anything, the Lexus LX is designed to do it in absolute comfort. Sharing its platform with the legendary Land Cruiser, the LX combines unmatched durability with true luxury. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine, this beast is capable of 400,000 miles or more when maintained properly. Its body-on-frame construction and traditional automatic gearbox make it immune to the reliability issues that plague modern luxury SUVs. It's quiet, powerful, and built like a tank. Despite its size and fuel appetite, it holds its value extremely well. Many LX owners keep theirs for decades, literally passing them down to the next generation. Few SUVs in history have earned the indestructible badge like the Lexus LX. Number 7. Honda CR-V. If reliability had a face, it would be the Honda CR-V. For decades, it's been the go-to recommendation for anyone seeking a reliable, no-nonsense SUV. The CR-V runs on Honda's proven 4-cylinder engine, paired with a robust, continuously variable transmission that delivers consistent performance and minimal issues. Mechanics appreciate its straightforward design. Everything under the hood is easy to reach, reducing labor costs during maintenance. It's common to see CR-Vs surpass 300,000 miles with no major repairs. Minor issues, like infotainment bugs, are rare and non-critical. The CR-V's resale value remains exceptionally high because owners know exactly what they're buying. Dependability, comfort, and efficiency in one package. Number 8. Toyota RAV4. Finally, we reach the crown jewel of reliability, the Toyota RAV4. This SUV is the gold standard when it comes to long-term dependability and low ownership costs. Its 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and 8-speed automatic transmission deliver the perfect balance of power and efficiency. The hybrid version adds Prius-like fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Mechanics call it the set-it-and-forget-it SUV, because once you buy it, there's almost nothing to worry about. Repairs are rare, parts are cheap and easy to find, and insurance rates are among the lowest in its class. Many RAV4s reach over 300,000 miles, and resale values remain sky-high, especially for hybrid trims.